Abeegi na manana barjiro mu rurembo rwa Hoima, na mukaga barjiro mu district ya Hoima, kandi igana 26 barjiro mu district ya Kikuube, abaramu n'Abeegi mukaga abino muri mahamabiri babagine miriyooni 53 ezibahairwe abo gukora kurungi ebigeze by'Chamuka abo mwaka gw'2024 ezibahairwe kampuni erukora aha mirimo yo kutimba amashuta aha nyanja ya Albert mu district ya Kikuube ya China National Offshore Oil Corporation.
And this award is a reminder to all the learners of this region and the Sinop Limited believe in you. This is what we want every student to know. You are not alone. We are here to support you and work with you on your education journey.
This time, Sinop are rewarding nearly 200% from where they started. And this initiative, they started way back in 2013, and to this day, continue to support with dedication and consistency. Thank you, Sinop.
Barukwasibwa sentezi ahambuga nkuru za district ya Hoima Kasingo abebembezi bashabire kampuni z'amashuta okutandika kubanjira Abeegi abamashomero ga government.
This is not the only work that Sinop has done. There is a lot that they are doing in the communities out there. So as far as corporate social responsibility is concerned, we are grateful as a country and as a district in general.
Obwahat kampuneji yamazire kusindika inshocho zo kunyura amajuta okuzumu omubyina 31
madistrict nkagano agazaire gani bakwina tuyamba na transport n'ibintu by'akuyamba wikempereza amasomo. But I believe this is for making us, for giving us courage so that we can do our best in the next examinations, and we believe that we shall receive more.
Omugandi kanso ya district ya Chenjojo erabuzeho sente biliyoni 53 Mbarara yo mwaka 2025-2026 bakansara ku rwo magombora na za town kanso mu Chenjojo nibende mbariregi ekwate munonga hankuto
abo kuba district ya kororwa miyora kuzakora mu sub county rwabonera konka ko kuzakugaruka utkunuya abujaro ryo gwa town council ne koronka half akari the road of 7 kilometers ushanga yakoro half kugarwa ibari kuzabutubiri atoshanga asigara hali impossible shanga abakushubura nk'ebitoki yana arabaho akwani no shanga no kaka pavement akokora mu just akantu kace so muntu wavuga karwa target ushanga ko pichiyaire mane bitoki byonda
cyokuroraho ukwana kuno bufunge twinirwaro na kati abantu ne bayingi muno abaruwaire kugakanyegaramire kitega batalika kifuka nyabirongo baitu rusaho karwaro kona akalse center ya kana
hataro engudezi kututalibaniza muno ga district nize engudezi za unra ya twayiri amazima gali tutumayena habwake mwadwire engudezi inyo aba unra habukwa mukale mwa kuyikora haro orugude rwa butiti orukugenda mpaka ha college butiti college.
Change district ina mashaza 3 n'enkuto ziri kwingana kilometero 25 biti bine cyo macyo cyo kusharenguto kandi nacyo kikafa.
So sawa government yetuyambe etutungire another road unit mukotorole ngukalitango kaitu kokorole ngudo twazikora kandi zaikara zirunungi twakahikiriza baitu tusima government abukwa sente zitwaire
gasha kwa Ambrose nwaga bakatoto na Daniel Bingana.